Hi everyone, I'm Don Gear from NTI. I'm here to show you the new MND Raffle truck for 2025. It's an absolute pearler. Let's have a look. Here we've got the 2025 Toyota Tundra. Absolute magnificent vehicle to drive. It's running a 3.5 V6 twin turbo, one electric motor, which makes it really good in the drivetrain. It's also running a 10-speed automatic transmission. That's perfect for the new age Caravan that we've got hooked on the back. Now we've come inside this superb vehicle, which is really roomy, heaps of room in the back, very comfy, does everything that you could possibly want it to do. However, it has got another nice little thing that comes from the factory, and that's the trailer brake setup. It's got a tow haul as well as just normal drive mode. It's also got down here, which is part of your increase, decrease the braking levels for you. Of course, it's got the touchscreen media. Everything that Toyota's renowned for is really nice in this vehicle. We're onto the Caravan now. It's a new Age Manta Ray Expedition, and it's got absolutely everything. It's got big toolboxes on the drawbar. It's got 400 watts of solar panel. We've got a queen size bed, tri-fold dining room table, great size kitchenette with a 4-burner gas stove, and it's even got a washing machine. The other thing that I really wanted to mention about this great new age van is that it's got full independent coil suspension, 2 shockers on each stub axle, and that gives it good ground clearance, great ride over rough terrain. Anywhere you want to go, you can go with it. Super safe, especially with the anti-sway braking setup that it's got as well. The specs truly are endless on the Tundra and the new age Caravan. Make sure you grab yourself a ticket, support MND Research, and you may very well be the lucky winner to drive away in this.